Hello, listeners. How are you? Where are you on the compass? Ignite. Were you active this past weekend or sluggish? We've been thinking about character traits so we get to know our characters and each other better. Chunk into pieces. We've seen that images can be important. The person waiting by the mountain with Sonnet Poem by Jacqueline Woodson. We've seen the poem's structure, form contribute to the meaning of the poem. Since the sonnet form is usually about love, and we decided that the speaker, Lonnie, ironically was not aware of it, but he was talking about love, even though it was not romantic love, but love for family. Form structure will also be important on Thursday. The poem we will read on Thursday is free verse. Why would an author use free verse? Brainly.com accurately claims that free verse is often used by poets to help readers focus on the message rather than the structure. It makes readers imagine with their senses what is being described. Free verse is very common in popular music lyrics, for instance, and the message is usually clear. Today, I'm going to teach you that sounds are one of the techniques authors use to convey meaning, so we can make sense of their work. Poetic devices, imagery, alliteration, mood, rhyme, repetition. Chew on it. The Simpsons version of The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe and the Cipher Rhythm and the Raven. Sounds are a technique, alliteration, rhyme, personification, etc. the author uses. Examples of sounds. Rhyme, repetition of similar sounds. Repetition, repeated words, phrases, syllables, or entire lines. Rhythm, how the words flow, created by rhyme, repetition, and inflection, how certain words are said. Table share or think to self. One thing I noticed the ciphers do was, I think this helped me, my understanding because, I liked this because. Review, seeing both videos made me more aware of. Between the Simpsons, the Raven, and the Cipher, the Raven, I preferred because. Thank you. Sorry, little bobcats wanting to get some attention. Have a good day. Bye.